The lavalier mic comes with a windscreen that snaps on or off. Listen to the difference with and without it. The clip used to fasten it to a person's clothing can be flipped to clip to either the left or right sides. To do that, you must first remove the windscreen from the microphone itself, then gently squeeze the ring that is pinched around the mic. This allows you to carefully slide the mic out of the clip. Then just flip the clip, squeeze, and slide it back down over the mic. It is considered sloppy and unprofessional to see a microphone wire on a subject. One way of quickly hiding it without having to take the time for the subject to run the wire under their shirt is to tuck it underneath a person's collar. It's also often helpful to loop the wire a bit through the clip. This does two things. It prevents the wire from being pinched too tight while providing a level of control so that the wire appears more neatly organized and out of the way. In some cases, you might be able to get away with further hiding the mic under a piece of clothing. You can either use some medical tape without the clip, or do your best to hide the clip if you desire a less noticeable appearance from the microphone itself. Keep the windscreen on in this case to prevent the microphone from picking up a scratching noise in case it rubs against any clothing. This is an especially important technique to use if working outside in the wind. Hiding it under a piece of clothing but close in proximity to a person's voice would be one possible solution to try.